Hey guys, sorry about the cancellation. Yesterday wasn't feeling too well, still kind of a little out of it. But I'm sending over a document with, I sent the pictures over, and the pictures will be related with some of the videos. I'm going to break the videos up as well as explaining the homework assignment. So, one second. So what I want to get into is pronouns, and we all use pronouns in English, so we use pronouns also in ASL. So in units 1 and 3, we learn signs for pronouns and possessive pronouns. In this section, we're going to learn that ASL has a group of pronouns that incorporate number as well. Compare the ASL and English versions of the dialogue below, paying attention to the way ASL identifies an exact number of individual while English does not. So I sent a picture. We'll say page 152 at the bottom, and it looks like that. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to kind of look at and seeing the difference where in that first picture it says weekend, do you. So weekend, what do you do during the weekend? Weekend, what do you do? Pointing. The next little box says Friday, me, so I. So Friday, friend, 4 of us, go out. 2 of them do. Bless me. So you have our possessive pronouns using the numbers where it says the 4 of them. So I grouped them. The next one is the 2 of us visit my grandparents. So grandma, grandpa. So grandparents, that's how you do grandparents versus parents. So you're showing the numbers, the 2 of us, the 3 of them, the 4 of them. You could put them anywhere. You can say the 4 of them over here, the 4 of them over here, the 4 of them over here. So kind of getting used to that. And the last one says, this means, I see. How are you? Or, yeah, all right. How are you? So I'm just describing those little boxes to give you an idea. It does say classroom exercise. Practice signing the dialogue with a partner. Although we're alone, we don't have partners, you're more than welcome to record it or link up together and sign them together. Add a greeting, it says like at least, or add new details to it. So try to get yourself thinking outside the box. Again, you can record it. You can act like you're somebody else. So shoulder shifting on myself, and I'm like, how are you? What did you do? Or something like that. And been like, I'm fine. I'm going to the store today. Cool. Store which? And kind of making that shoulder shift so you can pretend. And then it says, what pronoun signs do you see in the dialogue? What do they mean, create new dialogue with a partner using these pronouns? So kind of, again, I know we don't have a group. Maybe like yourself, kind of come up with certain dialogues that you can use the pronouns with. I also sent, it'll say page 153. It says like that. And we talk about, use the ASL pronoun to show the particular number of people being talked about whatever, or whenever possible. When the exact number is unknown, use the general pronoun we, us, or they. Otherwise, we use the following pronouns to refer to a specific number. So if we don't really know the number, we, they, them, they. So if we don't know a number, but if we do general, you and I use the 2 of us. So you and I, or the 2 of us. Then we have you and me, you, me, and somebody else. 3 of us. It means us 3. You, me, and somebody else. Then we have you, me, and us. So you, me, and us. 4 of us. You and you 2. You 2 versus us 2. You 2. Them 3 versus us 3. So when you're talking about somebody, about like ourselves with people, us 3. If you're talking about other people you see, so if I saw 3 people standing there, them 3. I would direction out because it's not close to me where it's us 3 in a circle where I'm talking about myself included. So going and reading that and getting the ideas of the pronouns and numbers and how they're used. Then I have, on page 154, I sent a picture. Just run through the exercises and try where it says who, create a sentence using the information provided Use the sign or position to select the pronoun sign that best fits the situation. And there's examples shown below. I also created a document, like I said, where I have expression corner information for you guys just to have, because I like information in there, as well as try the following exercises below. If you would like to create a video and send it to me for feedback, please do so. I also highlighted video located in email, which I'm doing right now, and it has a pronoun drill. What is the correct pronoun sign? Refer to page 153. So this picture would be page 153 that you would refer to once you get that Word, that document sent, and you'll see everything in there. I also want to focus on describing qualities. So in this section, you learned physical and personality traits. Notice that, in this picture, notice Sean. They say Sean. Sean is probably the female or the male in this photo. Raises his eyebrows for the sign Y, while Kelly uses the WH face. What do you think this means? So remember, we have the rhetorical and then the non-rhetorical, like the who, what, where, when, why, and how. So when you have a statement or it's a rhetorical, your eyebrows are up. So that means it's not really a question. So I'm going to send that picture as well so you guys get an idea. And maybe practice signing the dialogue with a partner. Of course, by yourself, if you guys want to get together. Explain the dialogue by adding material before and after each sentence. So, for example, this one, I'm going to use the one at the bottom, and you'll have a picture of that. It says, friendly, like to go out. Friendly, like to go out. It's just a simple sentence. The one at top is I love my friends. Why? And then you can finish the sentence. So, kiss fit. My friends. Why? So you have that. The why is not a question. The why is a rhetorical, so that he's going to answer the question as to why. Because if I did, I love my friends. Why? That's like a why do I? That's more of a question in there. So those are little exercises for this little video clip. And I will have more. I don't like to make these videos too long because then it's drawn out, anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. But I will have 10-minute videos each sent out to you. So this is the first video, and I will be sending more information as well later today. Bye, guys.